Hello, welcome to my first brow tutorial that you guys have been motherfucking dying for. I've gotten so many fucking people telling me, what the fuck is up? When are you gonna upload? I need to know. It's just, I don't know. When I started to do makeup and I was always like, I don't want to do the big brow. Like, I did it, but then it wasn't me, you know? So I eventually started like looking up techniques, and then I started getting those techniques and getting my own little way, my own little take on it. And yeah, this is how I achieve it on my hair, like on my brows. I can show you guys how to achieve it, like if you don't have any brow hair, or like if it's more sparse than me, you know what I mean? You'll see. But that's gonna be another video, so I'll make y'all wait for that one. But this is this one. You guys don't necessarily have to get these products. I can also do another video like this and show you guys what you guys can achieve with what probably you have at home already. Because before the Shape and Tint brow pencil that you'll see by MAC, I used to do it another different way. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy. It should be fun. Sorry, the setup is different. It's fucking hot. I had to turn off the AC, and I did all this without AC because you could hear the AC in the back. On my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat is all HBICESAR. Everyone asks me what the fuck it is, like what it stands for. It's called Head Bitch in Charge, and I just merged it into my name. I don't know, I was fucking young, and I don't want to change it because it's cute, and it was me, and it's me. So yeah. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. First, we're gonna start off with a 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Another good one would be Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, but I don't feel like it lasts like this, so this one lasts all day. I'm gonna go here, sorry you guys. Start off, and I like to comb everything down first. But before I do this, I wipe everything off with a makeup wipe. That way I don't have any like powdery residue. This is what's gonna be the holy grail. Like, you need this in your life. You're gonna start spiking everything down. I mean up. You're gonna start brushing it up all the way. And what I've seen that helped is if you brush up, like towards the right, and then you kind of fix it later. Keep brushing it until it's to your liking. You know? Okay, and just keep on spiking it and spiking it until it looks feathery. So you see, boom. I'm gonna go in with my Gimme Brow. It was reformulated because some fucker was using it on their eyes, and I'm in the shade 3. I like to make it look a little bit more lighter because I know I have black hair, but I don't have black brows. And the thing that's cool about this, it has fibers built in, which is gonna add more hair or more fluffiness to your brows. And I should just start off very lightly. You have to have a very light hand, and just try to get the hair, not the try not to touch your skin. So just try to touch the brow hair. Sorry guys, really hard to stay on focus. See? And I like to go from the base of it up. You have to be very careful with this because sometimes it gets clumpy. So since my brows are light, I love this stuff too because it tints also your brows, so it gives you a little bit more color. So it's not that necessary that my brows are thin. You see, watch. There's hair there, for example. There's hair here, but it's very light. But it gets darker when I like tint it with the Gimme Brow. Just grab a concealer. I preferably love Shape Tape concealer like so well, but you can use anything. So I like to get it with my MAC 212. This is an amazing brush. It's very flat. Basically, I start with a line. Sorry you guys, I'm trying to get it on camera and not mess up. And I raise my brows, grab it, and then push down. And brush all the way down, and you can bring it all the way down if you're gonna do eyeshadow. See, and I just start carving it. I personally get my brows threaded. It's a little bit better for me. I feel like I'm traumatized with waxing. And yeah, just wing it out all the way and then literally grab all this and bring it the fuck down. And it's super thick. I'm just gonna get like a, you can get, it's like a wannabe 217. You can get anything like this, not too fluffy because I feel like it doesn't really do much. This is, but I like to just grab it and just like buff out the edges, you know. Comes down to here. You like to just pat everything on because some of the brush will pick up a little bit of the product. Here, like towards the nose, you want to just bring it inward a little bit. 219S, just a little pencil brush right here. And I don't want to fill it in all over here because my brow stops right here. So I just want to get it and kind of just like buff it up and blend out that line. I grab a little bit of translucent powder. This is Laura Mercier, and I just tap it and set this. Hard to focus. This shape and tint in Fling. Okay, so it's like a felt tip applicator, and on the top, on the other side, it has like, I don't use this side, it has loose powder. And what I like about it, it's not like a liner. A liner would have like, but a liner will have too much of saturation of color. But this is just like literally a tint of color, and you could like mimic brow hairs. Right here, this is your guideline. So you're gonna go off from where you carve the brow, and you're gonna start flicking brow hairs. And you want to have a really light hand with this. If you feel like it's too dark, like right now, you could just tap it out and like, kind of like blend it out a little bit. You want to draw on the way they grow.
What we do here is go
Let's start doing that. You get any transition color, it doesn't matter. As long as it's a light one. Or whatever you're gonna go in with. Go in here. And just really buffing it out. And I like to bring it out here. This color here, it'll like blend out easily when I buff it out like this. That way you don't see that harsh line no more. And then, so what I like to do is get another coat of the brow gel. No, I would not be spending $24 on it. It's just too good, bro. Like too good. Wait, if you don't have this, then you will not achieve this. And literally they'll stay up all freaking night. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment, please. That way I know you guys like this content.
Don't want no short dick, man.